Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install LaTeX. Go on Google and type MikTeX. Click on Getting MikTeX. Go to Windows and type and download and click the download button. Download is complete. Go to Google and type Text Studio, and click on Text Studio, a LaTeX editor. Click Download Now, and it's downloading. Now the download is complete. Now go to Downloads and click Basic MikTeX. So you install the Basic MikTeX first. So you right click and click on Run as Administrator. Click on I accept. Next. You click on Install MikTeX for everyone who uses this computer. Click on Next. You click on Next, Next, and Start. So now it's installing. It's gonna take 2 to 4 minutes for the installation to be complete. Now, once your installing is complete, you see the next button is going to be highlighted. So you just click next, and then you click on check this, or you can just leave it. Leave a check for updates now. Then you click next, and then you see it's complete. MikTeX setup wizard. Then close. Next thing you want to do is to install Text Studio. So we do the same thing. You right click, run as administrator. You click on next. You click install. So it's gonna take same 2 to 3 minutes. Once your install is complete, then now your install is complete. You can see installation complete. You just click close. Next thing you want to do is you want to make sure your Text Studio is working. So you just go on desktop. You click Text Studio, click open. Once you open your Text Studio, this is how it's gonna look like. So just to see if our Text Studio is working, what we can do is we just go on File and click New. And then you see you can type whatever you want. So every LaTeX document begins with with a document class statement. So let's just see if it works. So document class, it's there. So I'm just gonna take article, and then might be I just say begin document. Just to see if it's gonna work, if it's working properly. So we take begin document, and then I just put here I just say let's see if Text Studio is working. Text Studio is working, and then you click compile. It's taking a bit of time, but okay. So you see, so this is our editor window, and this is our PDF document. So you see, let's see if Text Studio is working. Is it properly? Everything. So this is how to install and download and install your LaTeX on your local PC. If you've watched to the end of this video and would like more contents on LaTeX, you can follow me on my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.